I'll find somebody soon. I'll blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny symphony.
Take her to the moon for me, okay?
Anyway, these are Riley's memories, and they're mostly happy, you'll notice, not to brag. But the really important ones are over here. I don't want to get too technical, but these are called core memories. Each one came from a super important time in Riley's life, and each core memory powers a different aspect of Riley's personality.